I am Saurabh. I am founder of V4U Group. We deal in authorized workshops like Hyundai and Chevrolet, authorized part distribution business, and luxury segment multi-brand workshops. Though we are using a different kind of softwares like GDMS and DMS, but we needed a kind of software for our high-profile clients, which could cope up their expectations and may create 100% transparency. We deal in paid services, body shop, running repairs, hence work process, inventory updates, and delivery process. Real-time tracking was important, which was only possible through 100% digital platform. I can say RAMP has given us all. Accurate communication has helped us to make a strong relationship with our customers. Regular software updates has made it more impressive. Paperless software, paperless working is also goes +1 for them. I can say I'm highly satisfied. Thank you, RAM team.